Please help me decide, Kia Sonet or Toyota Yaris Cross. Thank you so much. Nagulat ako doon buti na lang may heart sa dulo. So sige Jen, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So Kia Sonet versus Toyota Yaris Cross. Sa unang tingin, one might say na hindi sila magkapantay or hindi sila magka-level. Pero if you look closely and consider very carefully the variants, I wanted to recommend the Kia Sonet top of the line SX versus Toyota Yaris Cross base model na G variant. This is because if you consider the Kia Sonet yung itatapat mo as other variants na ni Yaris Cross, the other variants I think nasa mga 1.3 or 1.4 million na yung mid variant ni Yaris Cross, and then yung top of the line pa ni Yaris Cross is nasa mga 1.6 million na, which is hybrid. So if we just, kung gusto lang natin i-balance, doon na tayo talaga sa presyo na magkalapit. 1.1 million na Kia Sonet top of the line versus 1.2 million na Toyota Yaris Cross base model. So having said that, if that's what you're thinking about right now, technically magkaiba talaga sila ng category, because si Kia Sonet is it belongs to the subcompact or smaller crossover SUVs, mga cute. And then si Yaris Cross is medyo nandun siya a little bit sa mga more popular, kinda big league na mga crossovers, or parang patungo sa regular crossovers. Well, technically compact, pero yung mga kahanay talaga ni Yaris Cross is si Ford Territory, si X-Force, ganon. Sige, but for the sake of this conversation, baka rin kaya din naman ng budget and yun talaga yung gusto mo. So ito, with the Kia Sonet, you're gonna get the Smart Sense na top of the line. Nandun yung mga front sensor, back, side, and emergency braking nandun. While on the other hand, si Yaris Cross base model is wala siya nun, nandun yun sa mga higher variants. So dyan pa lang sa safety, medyo lamang na agad si Kia Sonet. But in fairness, para sa akin lang naman, okay na ako kay Yaris Cross G base model, because it has the reverse camera and sensors, which is okay na sa akin yun. Tsaka magandang infotainment screen, and then magandang interior. I think naka leather din. So okay na okay talaga sa akin na si Yaris Cross G. I believe mas luxurious tignan si Kia Sonet because of the brown accents on the interior, but overall exterior looks and overall package, para sa akin, I'll go for the Yaris Cross. If you wanna know more about these crossovers, I created a playlist for you on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and watch it. See you there.